Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be revealing the Lemonade collection. We're doing swatches and I'm showing you how I got this look. We're going into all the details. I just want to quickly thank you guys for all the love and support for the latte palette. It is doing so great. We're in Ulta stores now. We're 5-star rated on Ulta.com, Beauty Bay, influencer everywhere. It's really crazy to me and I'm so happy that it's done so well and that you guys love it. Even people that don't know who I am love it and they're giving it good reviews, so that lets me know that you guys really love the product. If you haven't tried it, go into an Ulta or on my website, Dominique Cosmetics, pick it up and try it for yourself, see what all the hype is about. Now we're gonna get into the Lemonade palette and the lip glosses, the whole collection. So I'm gonna start with the glosses. There are 4 glosses. They look like so. They have Lemonade right here in gold, the DC on the top, and a pink little cap. This is the box that it comes in. It's this pink and yellow watercolor with gold details. This one right here is the Strawberry Lemonade. It's a vibrant pink. It's so pretty on its own. You don't even need a lip liner with this one. It just naturally enhances your lip and just looks so summery, like that natural just bitten kind of lip. And then this one right here, which is the pale pink. This one is called Pink Lemonade, and I love wearing this with a brown liner or something more mauvey. And then we have Peach Tea, and this orangey brown shade is Sweet Tea. And you'll notice that they're the same name as the colors in the palette, so they were very much inspired by some of the shades in the palette. What I love about these most is that they're super hydrating. You're gonna instantly notice that your lips are so much softer after you put this on. I don't like when my glosses stick together and you can kind of see it separating on the lip. I think it's uncomfortable and I just don't like the way it looks. So I made sure that these are not sticky at all. I love these guys. I know you're gonna love them too. So now I'm gonna get into the palette, the gold. This is the palette. It is a gold sleeve. The outside texture of the sleeve is similar to a lemon peel. It's so cool and pretty. She is so beautiful. She's a watercolor pink and yellow with the lemonade in gold. You open up the palette and there's 10 colors. The first color is Lemon Soda. It is extremely soft and buttery and smooth. I love that you can just pop it on the inner corners, on the lid, the entire lid, the brow bone. This one is super vibrant, so I wouldn't use it as a highlight on myself, but you can play around with it because like a full face brush will fit in these pans. Right next to it we have Pink Lemonade, which is a bubblegum pink with a gold shift. So depending on where the light hits, you'll see bubblegum bright pink or you'll see this gold, as you can see as I'm moving my hand. It kind of almost looks rose gold. And then we have Nude Tea, which is a warm peach with a matte finish. It is extremely pigmented. You can use this on your brow bone to set your eyelids. You can actually use it on your face as well because again, these pans are super large and it's just an essential color that I feel like everybody's going to love. Then we have Peach, which is a warm peach foil. Cucumber is a cool tone mint green foil. Mango is a warm yellow mustard. Oh my god, these are so soft, like baby soft. Then we have Sweet Tea, which is a super vibrant warm orange brown. Chai Tea is a plummy brown with cool undertones, very creamy. All 3 of these matte shades you can put all over your lid. You can work it into the crease, add drama with this one, use them as liners. If you wet your brush or put some Fix Plus on it, any of these shades in the palette will easily glide across your eye to create a wing. And then we have Strawberry, which is a dark pink with silver flecks. And I consider this a shimmer foil because it has a lot of those silver flecks in it, but it will glide across the skin just like a foil. The last color in the palette is Blueberry Fizz. And this is a bluish purple with violet and blue flecks. So I like to call this one a straight up shimmer. I mean, it could be a foil, but I feel like this is more of a shimmer just because I spent so much time on choosing the right color flecks and I put so many different color flecks so it has a really nice dimension. You can layer this over Chai Tea and that looks really pretty. Strawberry you can layer over mango or even use on your inner corners. Cucumber with mango is really cute. Peach and Sweet Tea look amazing together. Lemon Soda layered over mango, Pink Lemonade layered over anything in this palette looks so good just because it has that really pretty gold, rose gold kind of shift to it. Also, Nude Tea is just an essential that you need on your eye. Essential for setting the eyes, popping that brow bone arch out. With any palette that I've created so far, you can use at least one shade for your face. So watch out for that. If you get the palette, don't think that you just have to use it on your eyes. You can use it on your face too. The Lemonade collection will be launching June 19th, very, very soon. And the palette will be priced at $42 as usual. And the glosses individually are $17 each. I will be having a bundle price coming up soon. Make sure you follow Dominique Cosmetics on Instagram so you can stay updated. I already did my foundation, brows, cream contoured. We are ready just to focus on the eyes. I'm so excited. I've been using this palette a lot, but I haven't done an actual tutorial with it. So the first color I'm gonna pick up is Nude Tea, this nude peach right here. It's just a really soft matte color. And just so that we can make sure that everything's even on the eye, there's no slipping and sliding or uneven creams going on. So I'm just gonna lightly dust that all over, not too much. So I'm doing a light layer like this. Now I'm gonna move into the crease. So for the crease, I'm gonna take Sweet Tea, which is this super vibrant orangey brown kind of shade. I'm just gonna pick this up right here. I'm just gonna work that into the crease. I don't wanna put that on my lid because then the entire look will be super warm and orangey. Well, I'm gonna go into Mango. Mango is basically the color of my background. You can wear it on its own. You can put it all over the lid, just in the crease. You can do so much with Mango. It's a very summery color. I'm gonna pop into Mango, which is a warm yellow mustard color. And because it's matte, you can do so much with it. And I'm just gonna layer that right on top of that orange shade, and then I'm gonna bring it all over the lid. I got the orange shade on this brush. So I'm gonna go into a new brush so we don't mess up our eye shadow. I'm gonna put that all over the lid, and I have a fluffy brush because I also wanna bring it into the crease, layer it right over Sweet Tea, and then bring it right above Sweet Tea. And this is one of those shades in the palette that you can use literally with every single shimmer, matte, foil, everything that I have. You can use it with this shade and it would look so, so pretty. Then I'm gonna go over with a flat brush like this and intensify Mango a little bit more, like right on the edge. Some of them are a little bit more buttery, some of them have more of a higher coverage, a higher payoff, and that's because of the color. Formula overall is pretty consistent with the last, very long lasting, blends super easy into the skin, and has a really nice buildable coverage. Some of them are just bam, and then others you can like build up, but I wanted certain colors to be that way. Like Sweet Tea, I wanted a very big punch, vibrancy with this color. This palette was made to bring summer and happiness into your life. It is so vibrant, so beautiful, so fun. And just go down on the lower lash line. And I made the matte so that you can still create dimension. So I did Mango, Sweet Tea that you can layer, Chai Tea for drama. So those three are the core shades in the palette, and then everything else that's a foil or shimmer in this palette you can pop on the center of the lid. You can put in your inner corners, you can put it all over your lid, and then Chai Tea you can wear alone, pop on Blueberry Fizz. There's so many looks you can do with this palette, but I can only do one look in this video. I'll have more looks for you guys coming up soon. I wanted the first look to be super lemonade-y. Okay, so Chai Tea is a soft plummy brown, so I'm gonna pick that up right here and I'm gonna work that into the crease. I'm gonna pop back into Mango and just work that on the edge of the crease. And when you mix those shades together, it creates such a beautiful transition. I'm blending this color up into the brow bone, going up this way. I'm gonna pop into Chai Tea and just get a little bit going on the lower lash line. Okay, so now it is time to layer on the star of the show today, which is Lemon Soda. It's a vibrant yellow shimmer right here. It looks like this. And what I'm gonna do is pop that on my inner corners. Another really pretty look that I was doing with this palette is using Mango all over the lid up into just before the brow bone, and then popping Lemon Soda on top of that. No other colors around it. It's so beautiful. You have to try it. That, and then a little bit of Sweet Tea on the outer corner. And the more you layer on, the more intense it gets. It's already pretty nice and vibrant. For the inner corners, I could use Lemon Soda, but I just want to test out what pink lemonade would look like. It's a bubblegum pink with a gold shift. So depending on which way you turn, it will either be pink or gold. I'm gonna take some of Chai Tea right here and line up my lash line. To add more definition, I'm gonna use this tight angle brush and pat it on my lash line. For the brow bone, I'm gonna take Nude Tea and highlight the brow bone. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush and just go over all the edges, make sure everything's nice and soft. I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner and tightline the top of my waterline. Even though I have pink lemonade on the inner corners, I feel like I need to bring lemon soda down to the lower lash line. I'm just feeling the vibes right now. Take it down here, pop on some lashes. Now I'm gonna take some of the mascara and put it on the lower lashes. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love the way it looks. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face. Put on some concealer under my eyes, like so. Then I'm gonna set my under eyes with some powder. Now that we've brightened our under eyes and all the dark spots on our face, I'm just gonna contour. Just a little cheek snatching. I'm loving this plummy brown right here. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add a peach blush to the cheeks, kind of go up a little bit on the temple. Now I'm just gonna pop on a quick highlight to the cheekbones. For the lips, I'm gonna use this MAC Strip Down Lip Liner to line up my lips. Now that we've lined our lips, I'm gonna pop on a gloss. The gloss that I'm using is Sweet Tea. This guy right here matches the one in the palette, and I'm just gonna pop it right on top of the lip liner. I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal. I hope you're excited for the Lemonade collection. Let me know below if you will be getting the Lemonade collection. Just comment a lemon, that will let me know. Also, thumbs up this video, that'll make me really happy. I'm so excited for you guys to try it out, to play with it. You're gonna be able to create so many fun summer looks. I have so many more tutorials coming up very soon with all the other shades, so be sure to watch out for that. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.